Coco, the curious cat, noticed something strange in her garden. The colorful flowers were vanishing overnight. Determined to uncover the mystery, Coco teamed up with Betsy the Buzzing Bee, eager to protect their blossoming haven. Together, they followed a trail of fallen petals, leading them to a mischievous hedgehog named Spike. Realizing he only wanted a cozy nest, Coco and Betsy shared their garden's wonders and made new friends. Their adventure not only solved the mystery but also brought harmony and new friendships, showcasing teamwork and the joy of exploration.